I'm here at 1037 Northwood, and I am going over all the things that were done by the plumber. It is ready to get water turned on, but here's all the breaking of the cement, and our pump is in, all the drains, all the piping, all the plumbing, ready. To going upstairs. I've been working here. See, there are the kitchen pipes, kitchen piping for the sink, and then we have the gas line all set up. Those drains are all done. They'll be all closed out. We got the Durarock. We got the drains in. Subfloor Durarock. Oh, we're going to start coming and moving forward. Can't wait for this one to really kick off. Hopefully by the time you're here, Sharada, we will have walls up. These walls started to getting painted. That'll be a nice step. Trim going up. That trim needs to come off. So we're gonna push on this one. Get it done. Okay. So we got our plumbing, which was the main thing, and floors and so forth. So we'll see what happens next week as I come back to get another progress follow-up.